Holiday bags in my pocket, gotta keep the shit so steady. Niggas were talking about they're gonna make it, but niggas just never were ready. And we don't pull up in Hondas, nigga, we pull up deep in a Chevy with the fofos looking at black. So you rappers just better be ready. My car swerved like I'm drunk, but I'm sipping on purple lean. Smoke come from the background, that means we're not on a sober scene. DMG, MG, everyone in this. Yeah, nigga, let me refill my clip. Yeah, nigga, let me refill my clip. Yeah, nigga, let me refill my clip. Turn up. What you thinking about? Getting this money and stacking these bands? What you thinking about? Fucking your bitches and getting you mad? Woo!
Okay. DJ T, you know who be, yo bitch be all over me like ants on food. I'm smoking on the good, that heart attack. Yo girl tell me to bring it back, cause she know I got that thrax. And for the op, I got that Mac, I got that pack, I got that sec. I'm making racks, I got this money flow. Every time I'm with your bitch, she down to blow. I don't even gotta ask, cause she already know.
Put in work.
Yeah, that's your hoe. She gon' go.
Put in work. We put in work. We smoking loud. Me and Dom don't smoke that dirt. You must be confused, cause you need your mind right. Look at my watch. It is so bright. My chain is right. I'm about to kill the flow. You gotta go to the night. My flow is like the sun because my rhymes are hot.
I got it.
Kill the flow. You know how we just fucking rock.